My woman attractive, my whip is attractive. I hop in the whip and I'm losing the traction. You know that I practice the law of attraction. I just bought an Acura, you know how I'm acting. No, I'm not a packer, but she know I'm
Demon Slayer. Get out my mouth. Nope. Guess what we're going to see? Demon Slayer. We in Walmart to get some snacks first. In Walmart to get some snacks. You know we're gonna have to record this to get angle. A short angle.
We're going to the snacks.
Yeah. Oh shit, I don't know. I don't think so.
Ain't no damn snack down. Crazy good.
I didn't see snacks on the thing though. I seen snack cakes. Oh, I didn't see quick. Well, I wasn't looking for that, bro. It got down chip, popcorn, quick snack. We got popcorn at the movie too. So, you know what you want?
Nope.
You heard me? We got popcorn at the movie.
Damn popcorn.
I'm gonna get some fucking popcorn. Snacks. Yeah. I told you this woman. Wait, they got cookies. But they don't. I won't. These ain't the cookies, babe. You know what I'm talking about. I'm looking for the Oreos. The Oreos. They don't look like them. They say cookies, but look at that little ass eye. What is it? Why the fuck did we come to this Walmart? I don't want no damn fruit snacks. It sucks. Oh my God, I hate it here. What the fuck is going on? Excuse me. I'm looking for those Reese. Hey. Where is my husband? I lost him that quick. Gonna go look and snack. Aha! He went the wrong way. I don't think I want this shit. They might. Oh, they got flips. Oreo make a new cookie, and apparently this one don't even carry fucking cookies for real. Now I gotta go find him real quick. Cause we got like 30 minutes and he gotta get ready. He gotta get some stuff for his truck too. Bye. He the fuck he. I usually get these. I might get these and some M&Ms or the flips. I'm getting out there probably. Gotta have your candy with your popcorn. Gotta have your candy with your popcorn. I'll be back when we get to the
Is it gonna be a big bag of popcorn?
We've been in the stack aisle for 45 minutes now. I be fucked up to buy a jar of pickles.
I don't want this shit.
Jar of pickles. Jar of pickles. You want some chips or something? Cookies? Or you good with the popcorn and the candy? You wanna go down snack cakes? Let's go down snack cake. It smell like bread and weed. God damn, I hate it. I think when you
How the snack cakes in the aisle with the tea?
and the coffee and the bread, it's such a weird aisle. That snack cakes suck. I can already tell. I done became, ever since I breastfed my last son, I became a oatmeal pie ass bitch. And I ain't never liked no oatmeal pies. I told you they snack cakes suck. They got peanut butter cream pies. I ain't never heard of no shit like that. I told you. They fucking suck. They suck dicks. Big old dicks. That man told me about them Reese's Oreos and I couldn't find it. You wanna go to the rugs now?
Yeah.
We're going to the rugs and the movies and the rugs. I done lost my husband again, but look what I got. And no, it's not for decorations. I'm in anatomy and physiology and I gotta learn the skeleton before Tuesday, so. Frankfurt here is gonna help me. Bae. I don't know where he went that quick. I ain't lost him. Frankfurt won't keep his jaw goddamn closed though. It's got the sutures. Be good for the vertebrae. I don't know where he is. Ain't been to the movies in so long. We late it here. We not late it here. It kind of late it here though. It started at 9:30, but you know how the previews and shit go. Boop. The line is super long, so we ordered online. And if you come in the front door and make a right, you're gonna see the mobile pickup right here. And that's where we got our popcorn. Clutch. Out here banded up. Make sure you go to the potty before you go to the movies. Cause stop disturbing people when the goddamn movie started. Wait, what number he said? Shit, I don't know either. I didn't hear shit he said. 10 out of 10. Go see it. Can't wait for part 2.
I wasn't asleep.
I was gonna say he fell asleep. Great movie. Can y'all hurry up and go watch it so we can talk about it, please? Hurry up and go watch it so we can talk about it. Bye.
As I smoke that enemy, I inhale all that energy. I'm outside getting expertise, you online spilling extra tea. My brother selling shirts, bitch, come and get an extra tea. I make that guala work.